In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Fiverr without any skills or any experience. That's alright, no graphic design, no writing, no video editing. Instead, I'll reveal how you can use Fiverr affiliate marketing to create a consistent stream of income by promoting services others provide. I'll explain how Fiverr affiliate programs works and why it's one of the easiest way to start making money online. Next, I'll show you step by step how we can find the best services to promote and create content that drive traffic and commissions. And I will share the exact strategies I used to earn $15,173 in commissions just in 18 days with Fiverr affiliates. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and I will show you guys where to promote your affiliate links for free traffic. By the end of this video, you will know how to turn Fiverr into a passive income machine, no skills required. If you are ready to start making money with the smart way, let's get started and make sure to watch this video until the end so you can understand everything. Anyway, this is my affiliate account dashboard. I have been doing affiliate marketing with Fiverr for over 5 years, and I'm making over $15,000 every single month. And just last month, I made $17,975 with Fiverr affiliates promoting affiliate links with free traffic. And it's paid. As you can see, this is my invoice. So just to show you the potential of this business. Anyway, for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, it's super easy, guys. You just need to go to Google. Step number one, go to Google, search for this website, Fiverr. Click on the first link over here. Sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to company, and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. So what you need to do is you can just click on join now, but you guys can check this website to get more information and more ideas and about how much you will earn with Fiverr affiliate, because they are really paying good commissions. This is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Anyway, go back to this home page, click here on join now, and here you go. As you can see, guys, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no, and choose your country from here. Your location, it doesn't matter if you are from United States or Canada or Australia or United Kingdom, Nigeria, any country, you can start this business, okay? And choose your language from here and put your Skype account here if you have Skype account. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You guys can see that the sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So what you need to do next is you need to choose now a profitable and good services that you will promote using free traffic, okay? And I will share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting using free traffic. So pay close attention. Go back to your homepage on Fiverr, okay? To this homepage, click here on the search, and what you need to search for is video editing. This service, you guys can see it's already popular right now on Fiverr, which is really good. Click on video editing or search for video editing, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here provide this service on Fiverr. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers, okay? How we can choose good sellers? Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers, pro sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your profile on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers, okay? If those sellers that you are choosing are good sellers, they have good reviews, they are providing good service for their customers, you can make so much money. They will buy this service from you, and you will start making commissions, okay? So for example, let's pick one. I'm gonna choose, let me see, like, okay, like this one. You guys can see this one. This one is top rated seller, and he provide fast delivery, which is really good. I will click on this one. Let's choose this one. I'm gonna click on this one here. Just click on the service that you want to choose. And here you go, you will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see that this seller has 2 orders in queue and over 2,000 reviews, meaning that over 2,000 people paid for this service. What you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and just click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on dip link and just put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go, you just created your first affiliate link. This is your affiliate link that you can use to promote this service and earn commission. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose where you will promote this affiliate link and where you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from you. And I will share with you guys how you can do it. So what you will do next, pay close attention. Go and open your Facebook account. Open Facebook account like this and just click on your search bar here and search for YouTube subs like this, and you will see here filters. Scroll down and click on groups. Okay, and you will find a lot of Facebook groups about YouTube. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to join all those groups. So for public groups, even if you didn't join those groups, you can use those groups, but for private groups you need to click on join so you can start using those groups to promote video editing service. Okay, so let's choose one, for example, one of those groups here. For example, let me see, like this one, YouTube viewers, YouTube subs. I'm gonna choose this one. Just click on any group you want to use. I will choose this one and you will be directly in this group. If you scroll down, you will find people here who has small YouTube channels. Okay, you see this? So why those people are posting their YouTube videos links here in this group? Because they have small YouTube channels and they want to grow their YouTube channels, like this one. You guys can see this one just posted this YouTube video link today. It's just posted today, as you can see here, and he wants to get more views. Okay, so if we click, let's click on his video to show you so you can get a clear idea. Okay, so those people in this group, they are your customers. Okay, and you will be interested to buy video editing to make their videos more engaging and more professional, to get more views. Okay, to grow their YouTube channels. And this is exactly, that's why I choose this service, video editing, to help those people. Okay, let me show you. You guys can see this channel here. You see this channel, just this channel has just 47 subscribers. You see this, small YouTube channels. This video is not getting a lot of views. This is the channel. Let me show you. So you can just, those people are your customers and you need to provide good services for those people and they will buy. This is exactly what I have been doing when I started this business, and I made a lot of money from those Facebook groups. I find clients on Facebook groups. Okay, this is what you need to focus on if you just started this business. Do you see this? This is a small YouTube channel. Let's scroll down, let's check his videos. You see, let's go to videos so you can get more idea to make this business clear for you and to see the potential of this. Okay, if we scroll down, do you see, this is a small YouTube channel, it's not getting a lot of views. Okay, so you also have, if you check their YouTube channels, you will find their links here, their social media links. Let me show you. Do you see this? They have Instagram, they have Twitter X, they have Facebook page here, Pinterest, Quora, Discord, and so much more. So you can reach out to those people from Instagram. If you click on their Instagram account, for example, like this, you will be directly in his Instagram account. Let me show you. Okay, do you see this? This is his YouTube channel link and this is his Instagram. Okay, this person started YouTube and he has small YouTube channel. I can click here on message and I can send a professional message to this person about this service that I want to promote as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr, about video editing. Okay, so what you will do next is you just need to choose you need to create a professional message that you will send to like those people. Okay, So what you need to do next is you just need to create a professional message that you can send to those people with your service affiliate link. Okay, so here is what you will do. Go to ChatGPT like this, okay? And if you don't have ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT AI, and sign up using your email address. And it's for free. You can use just the free version. Just click here on message and ask him create a professional message that I can send to small YouTube channels to buy my video editing service. Okay, service from my website, and they will click like this, and I will get a professional message that I can send to those people. You see this? It's impossible to not make commissions with this method. Like, it's, you guys know, you those people have small YouTube channels, and they will be interested to buy video editing. Not just video editing, I'm gonna share more services that you can promote to those people. Do you see this? You have a professional message here. I come across your YouTube channel and wanted to say how much I admire your work. You are doing, you can put his niche here. Your content has a great potential to reach an even wider audience. To help you to make that happen, I offer a professional video editing service. And here you go. You have a professional message. Copy this message. You see? Like this. And here you need to put your affiliate link. Go back to Instagram. You can reach to this, like I said, you can reach to those people from Instagram, from Facebook. They have their social media in their YouTube channels. You need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have a new account, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for over 5 years, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. And by the way, guys, I do have an affiliate marketing course about this business, about affiliate marketing. If you are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address. Inside my course, you will learn more about this business. You will get access to all the tools and the methods and strategies I'm using, access to all my profitable services that I'm promoting, how to create content, how to use YouTube, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, and so much more. Okay. Anyway, let's continue. You like I said, you should see this Fiverr Pro new plan. Just copy your affiliate link from here. And this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short link. I'm gonna go to Google and I will search for bit.ly like this, and they will click on the first link. Just click on the first link, and here you go. This will be, let me show you, this will be your home page. Just click here on create new link and put your affiliate link here. It's super easy, and click on create your link, and here you go. This is your affiliate link, short affiliate link. I will copy this link. I will go back to Instagram and I will put my affiliate link here. Paste. Okay, and here you go. You see this? I'm gonna, okay, so let me see. You are doing which in, you need to put his niche here. I don't know, let me see his niche here on YouTube. It's gaming. Okay, I think it's gaming. Game, yes. Okay, I will go back to Instagram. I will put just here gaming. You are doing admit the work you are doing in gaming content, for example, and I will click on send. Okay, and this message will be sent to this person with my affiliate link. Okay, you see this? So he will get back, he will check this message. He has small YouTube channel. If he's interested to learn and to make his videos more engaging and more professional to get more views and grow his YouTube channel, he will check your affiliate link. If he click on this link, he will be directly in this seller profile page. He will see this seller has a good profile, top rated seller. He provides fast delivery. He has over 2,000 reviews. He worked with over 2,000 people, which is really good, meaning that this seller is providing good service for his customers. Click on continue, buy the service from you, you will earn commission. And if you go back to Facebook, to this group, you have unlimited people here. You can also click on their name, and you can click here on message, and you can also send them a professional message here on Facebook, okay? Or you can also comment, or you have a lot of options, or you can create here, click on write something, post a picture about the service, and write a post using ChatGPT describing this service, okay, that you are promoting, and people who will reach out to you, send them your affiliate link. And that's it. You just need to know how you can convince those people to buy the service from you. It's working. You see how many people has small YouTube channels here. If we scroll down, here is another one. You see this? If we click on his link, those people are your customers. How, like, do you understand? It's, you need to pay money to target like those people on ads, and you can find those people for free on YouTube, on Facebook groups. If you want to run ads and target like those people, you will pay a lot of money. Do you see this? Those people have small YouTube channels. They will be interested to buy video editing, not just video editing. Let me show you. They will be interested to buy video editing. Like I said, they will be interested to buy, like, for example, this one, YouTube thumbnail. Do you see how many people already paying for this service on Fiverr? Over 1,000, over 1,000, over 1,000. YouTube thumbnails. You need YouTube thumbnails. If you started a YouTube channel, you need YouTube thumbnails, okay? If you want to scale your YouTube and take YouTube seriously, you need to make good thumbnails. You need video editing, good video editing. You need good SEO if you want to grow your YouTube channel and take YouTube seriously to make money on YouTube, okay? And that's it. Let's go back to this one. Let me see. You guys can see this one also has the small YouTube channel. He has his Facebook page here. Let's click here to see. Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter, and also TikTok. You can reach out to those people from those accounts, and they will be interested to buy. You have a lot of services that you can promote, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. For people who are interested to get to learn more about this business and take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. I have an affiliate course, an affiliate marketing course that will teach you everything, and you can really change your life with affiliate marketing like it did it for me. Okay, affiliate marketing is a super easy business that you can start with zero investments and $0. You don't need any money. You can start with organic free traffic. You just need to know how to do it right, so you can start making commissions, avoid mistakes that I made, and save a lot of time and start making money online. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing, and see you in my next videos.